everyone, welcome back to my channel Next Step by Parul. And as you know that we have started the new series of storytelling जिसमें हम स्टोरी नरेट करते हैं जिससे कि आपकी लिसनिंग स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी हो जाती हैं। हम न्यू वर्ड्स या फिर डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स भी देखते हैं जिससे कि आपकी वोकैबुलरी इनहैंस होती है और हम वर्ड्स एंड सेंटेंसेस भी प्रोनाउंस करते हैं जिससे कि आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड स्पीकिंग स्किल्स भी इनहैंस होती हैं। सो इफ यू वांट टू improve your English, this is the right place for you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do so that you would never miss an update from this channel. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एक न्यू स्टोरी and that is The Clever Fox and the Ghost. So चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Long ago in a dense forest, there lived a clever fox named Chatur. One day, Chatur was wandering through the forest when suddenly he stumbled upon an old and abandoned temple. The temple was said to be haunted, but Chatur was curious. Haunted? Huh, I don't believe in ghosts. Let me see what's inside. As he stepped inside, he saw cobwebs, broken idols, and heard the wind howling through the cracks. Suddenly, a booming voice echoed through the temple. Who's there? Show yourself! Out of the shadow appeared a glowing and ghostly figure, floated towards Chatur, trying to look as terrifying as possible. I am the guardian spirit of this temple. Leave now, or else you are going to face my wrath. This ghost can scare others, but not me. I'll teach him a lesson. The clever fox bowed respectfully and said, "O mighty spirit, I didn't mean to disturb you. I'm just a humble messenger." Messenger? What message do you bring? I bring the news from the king of the forest. He has sent me to find the bravest ghost to guard his royal treasure. I thought you might be perfect for the job. The ghost was flattered but cautious. The king of the forest trusts me? But where is this treasure? Follow me, I'll show you. Chatur led the ghost into the deep forest towards a rocky hill. Chatur pointed to a dark cave. Treasure is inside, but only the bravest can enter. There is a ferocious snake guiding it. The ghost hesitated. He didn't like snakes. I think I'll send someone else to guard the treasure. You go ahead. Oh, I see. You are scared. You are not that brave as I thought. Embarrassed, the ghost vanished into the thin air, never to be seen again. From that day, Chatur lived a happy life, wherein he knew that no more ghost is going to dare to cross his path. The moral of the story is, presence of mind and cleverness can overcome any fear. चलिए अब कुछ वर्ड मीनिंग्स देख लेते हैं। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज अबैंडन। अबैंडन का मतलब होता है कोई भी ऐसी जगह या फिर कोई भी ऐसी चीज जो बहुत टाइम के लिए अकेले छोड़ दी जाए, इसको हम अबैंडन कहते हैं। लेट्स मेक अ सेंटेंस। ओल्ड हाउस एट द एज ऑफ द विलेज वाज अबैंडन्ड। क्यूरियस। क्यूरियस मतलब होता है जब हमें कुछ जानने की इच्छा होती है, जब हमें कुछ सीखना होता है, उसको कहते हैं हम क्यूरियस। तो अगर आपको कुछ भी सीखने की इच्छा है मतलब आप क्यूरियस हो। लेट्स मेक अ सेंटेंस। द चिल्ड्रन वर क्यूरियस टू नो अबाउट द स्ट्रेंज नॉइज। रॉथ। रॉथ मतलब होता है एक्सट्रीम एंगर। जब किसी को बहुत गुस्सा आती है उसको हम कहते हैं रॉथ। Let's make a sentence. The villagers feared the wrath of the storm. चलिए अब कुछ pronunciation practice कर लेते हैं। मैं कुछ sentences बोलूंगी and you have to repeat after me. The first sentence is, the ghost claimed to be the guardian of the temple. Repeat after me. Great. Next, the ghost hesitated to enter the cave, afraid of the snake. Repeat after me. Great. Next, the ghost felt flattered when Chatur praised him. Repeat after me. Wonderful! You did a great job. So we'll meet in the next session with another story. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.